Good morning, children. Good morning to everyone. My name is Lavanya. I am telling for you science subject. Good morning, everyone. Are you fine, children? Yes. So today I will teach you a lesson of science, unit 1. That is how plants reproduce. You know about plants. What is meant by plants? First we will take introduction of plants. Introduction means to know about the thing. So plants are very useful to us in our daily life. Without plants we cannot exist on our earth. So now we will learn about plants. First thing, plants gives us oxygen and food, everything, etc. So with the help of plants we will know how they reproduce in their daily life. Now we will go to the unit 1. First I will give some introduction of how they reproduce. What is meant by reproduce? You know about plants. Next I will explain about reproduce. What is meant by reproduce? Reproduce means the process by which living produce young ones of their kind is called reproduce. Reproduce means the plants which living things produce of young ones of own kind is called reproduce. Means a small example I will say now for you. Listen carefully. I will say small example. Example I will tell about human beings. Human beings means as like mother and father. Okay. Now I am a mother plant. Now example I am a mother plant. I am mother plant. With me it's how baby plant will reproduce. Okay. Now like that only some example of a plant. I am taking apple plant. I am taking apple seed. Okay. A small seed we will keep on underground of the earth first. Okay. Then it will grow. We should pour water. You know everyone how plants will grow with the help of water, sunlight and warmth. So these three are very important to the growth of a plant. So now we will go to the lesson. Plants are a major part of our environment. Environment means near our surroundings. Plant gives us food and supply giving oxygen. Life on earth cannot exist without plant. Here he is telling in the lesson also he is telling without plants there is no life for us. No oxygen, no air, no food. With the help of plants only we will get everything. Now growing plant of a seed. So he is now I will tell first about growing plant of our seed. Growing means what? Grow. Growing means how a seed will grow into a plant. Okay. Now growing plant. I am taking a apple seed now. Examples, an apple seed is like this. Small apple seed. We are keeping underground of the earth. Keeping underground. Next, this is only seed now. This is only seed. After pouring, how this plant will grow? Pouring the water. So here they have to get slowly it will grow into a new small leaves. It will come small leaves. After a few days it will grow into a baby plant. Okay. Seed leaves. This is known as seed pod. This is the first seed. After that it will grow into a seed pod. After that it will grow into a seed leaves. After a few days it will grow into a baby plant. Like that only how a plant grows with the help of the seed. Okay. Now I will go to a small formative assessment is there in your textbook. That one also I am explaining you. So a few grams seed for a day or two. After dhanyalu. With the help of dhanyalu, cardamom, we will get a kothmeer. Okay. So I am putting. He is telling in this formative assessment to keep it 2 days in the underground. Okay. And for 2 days. After that, remove the seed from the ground and open it. He is telling. What you will get? You will get seed core. What you will get? Seed core. This is the example. One of the example for the seed. How it will grow into the baby plant. Next, if a seed gets a right amount of water, air, warmth, it will produce a baby plant or seedling. The process by which a seed produces a baby plant is seedling is germination. Now we are going to the germination. Okay. A seed, how it will go into a seedling? How it goes into germination? How it, with the help of seedling, it will go. The process which a baby plant from the seedling is called. Seedling is called germination. What is meant by germination? I will tell you for you. Okay. Germination. Germination. Okay. Already we have learned reproduce, uses of plant. First I explain uses of plant. After that reproduce. Next, third point is germination. The development of a seed into a seedling. The development means to develop a seed into seedling is called germination. The development of seed. Okay. Seed is developing the seed into a seedling is called germination. Understood now? The development of seed. The development of a seed into seedling is called germination. This is the third point. Okay. Next, during germination, the seed absorb water and cells to embryo start dividing and increase into the size. Eventually, the seed core breaks open. So, it starts from the, now the germination has started. First, seed core will open the seed. After that, it starts the germination. Okay. Firstly, radicles, pods and broad blombers followed by the short or pumuli, which produce the stem and leaves. The seedling grows into green leaves and cotyledons dry up. It soon grows into an adult plant. So, just I am saying a seed. First it grows. Small seed core. After that a leaves. Seed leaves. After that a baby plant. So, I will draw for you a small seed with the help of that how the plant will grow. Now, I will explain on the both how the germination of a seed. Okay. How a seed is germinating. Okay. Now, example. Here I am drawing. This is the sunlight. Sunlight is very important for growing the plants. It is very important for everyone, not only for plants. Human beings also it is very important. Okay. Everyone knows this one very well because without air, water, oxygen, we cannot live. Like that only plants also cannot live without air, water and warmth. Okay. Now, first germination of a seed. A small seed I am drawing here. Okay. Small seed. This is a seed. Okay. Small seed I am drawing here. Okay. Small seed. First seed has put it. Okay. This is the underground. Okay. We have put a small seed. Okay. Here a small one has gone. Next. Another one. Seed. See here once. Small growing. Okay. Another days. A few days later. It can retain roots. You are looking here. growing. Okay. After some days, the roots are very hard into the ground. Then after a big plant has grown. Okay. A big baby plant has grown. You are seeing here the baby plant has been drawn here because in the textbook we have with the help of sunlight we are getting the baby plant with the help of water also. Okay. This is the germination of a seed. First stage I will explain you. Now I have drawn the diagram here. The stages I will explain you. First stage. This is a small seed. Okay. We have kept on the underground of the earth. First it has been a small seed pod. After that it has become a seed pod. After that we got it roots. Yes. Here the small roots are gone and the leaves also grown. After some days or 20 days, 25 days or 1 month, we got a very strong roots down. Okay, strong roots. Okay, after that a big baby plant has grown with the help of water, air, warmth, and with the help of main important thing is sunlight. Without sunlight, the plants also will not grow. With the help of main important thing is water and sunlight must be there to grow the plant. Okay? Everyone understood? Okay. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay? So now we will go into the another level. This one we have learned how many uses of now, how many uses of plants. First thing is plants, plant uses of plants. After that reproduce. After that germination. Now the fourth one is dispersal. What is fourth one? Dispersal of a seed. What is meant by dispersal? Now we will learn. Okay. Means dispersal of a seed. Seed also you know what is meant by seed, but you don't know what is meant by dispersal. The scattering of a seed. The scattering of a seed to different places. The scattering of a seed means scattering. The scattering of a seeds into the different places. This is known as dispersal of a seed. Okay. Now, we will learn now, we will go to the lesson. The process of scattering. Scattering means losing or sprinkling. Seed away from the mother plant is called dispersal. A baby plant, small seed grows to a baby plant. Like that only, a seed will disperse with their mother plant is known as what is meant by dispersal? A mother plant is dispersing. It is scattering from a mother plant. Okay. Next, dispersal is necessary for better growth of a plant. It is most necessary to grow the plant. If all the seeds fall near the mother plant and start germination, they would not go enough light, water and space to grow. Dispersal of a seed takes place various agents. So what is saying? We thought. So he is telling here in the lesson, if the dispersal is not taken place here, so they will not grow well. He is telling in this lesson. What will not grow? The plant will not grow well. He is telling. So must be there dispersal of a seed with the mother plant. There are some uses of a dispersal of a seed. Various he is telling some uses. First one is wind. Second one is water. Animal explosion. He is telling 4 things are there to dispersal of a seed. Rekkalu. Yeah. Or hair. Hair means you know everyone. So on them. So these seeds are easily carried away by wind. Here I am telling for you to know in Telugu wind. So గాలిలో okay, wind ద్వారా కొన్ని small some seed will disperse to one place to another place. He is telling here in this lesson. Example, we will what the seeds will cotton. You know everyone cotton. Dudi. We'll talk. Okay, dudi. This seed also will go from one place to another place by the help of the wind. Okay, Mara and Hiptage. These seeds go through the wind. With the help of wind, they will move from one place to another. Next, water. Everyone know water. How in the water it will go seed, how it will disperse. Now we will learn in this lesson. Seeds of some plants are spongy or have a fibrous covering which help them float on the water. Here what he is telling, with the help of water, they say it will float. Float means the water, up of the water. Float means which float up of the water. It will on the waves like this. Float on the water. Transport these seeds from one place to another. What he is telling in this lesson? A seed in the water. You will ask for me how it will float, teacher? Because with the help of water waves are there. Waves will come on the water. With the help of that waves, it will go one place to another place. Everyone know how water will flow. With the help of that one only, the seeds will go one place to another place. Example is giving coconut. Everyone know coconut tree are carried away by the water coast to coast. Coconut plants, you know everyone. It will pass one place to coast it with palms. Okay, coast to coast. An example is giving you. Okay, next animals. Animals will also take a seed from one place to another place because they will roam here and there. Example, buffalo will go here and there and eat the grass. Everyone know that one. Buffalo, cow, this all will roam here and there to the villages and they will eat the grass. If they want to give for us milk, so they want a food, no? So they will roam here and there. With the help of animals also, the seeds will disperse. Animal and human being eat some fruits and throw away the seeds which grow into a new plant. Certain seeds have roots, stick, or spines which stick on the head skin of animals and carried away. Example, seed of a plant like acusum, okay, tiger nails and spear grass. These are example for the animals. Example here it is there. Okay. Next, explosion. We will learn about explosion. Explosion of it. What is meant by explosion? Fruits of certain plants burst open when they are ripe, scattering the seed in all directions. The mechanism of a seed dispersed in called explosion. It commonly seen is peas, beans and blossom. Okay, here he is giving what is meant by explosion. He is telling explosion means one seed being inside of it the scattering directions. Okay, when they write scattering seed in all directions, the mechanism of a seed dispersal is called dispersal. So example, I will take beans. Okay, it's like this it will be there. Okay, inside the beans it will be there. So we should take this one. Okay, we should take this bean seed. We should take off the full of a bean seed. After that we will get a seeds inside it. Like this is known as explosion. Now other way of growing plant. Other way means he is telling now till now germination of a seed, dispersal and reproduction and germination. We had listened now. Now he is telling growing way. Another way. Growing the plants in another way is telling in the textbook. So I will explain you another method. He given one method he given. roots, stem and leaves. With the help of these three, he is telling we can grow the plants. So what is this known as? With the help of growing these three, root, stem, leaves. The help of these three, this is known as vegetative propagation. He is telling what it means. Is there another way of growing plants with the help of root, stem and leaves are called vegetative propagation. Now we will learn what is meant by vegetative propagation. Plants reproduce very quickly by vegetative propagation. What is telling here? With the help of plants, it will grow very quickly. Quickly means very fastly it will grow. So with the help of root, first is given with the help of root. How can we grow with the root is explained. Carrot and sweet potato can grow into a new plant from the roots. With the help of roots, we can grow a new plant very fastly. He is telling in this, with the help of root, we can get fastly, get very quickly, fastly. The help of carrot and sweet potato, it will grow into a new plant. Next, from stems, you know everyone what is meant by stems. Roots also, you know. Roots means like this it will be there underground. Stem means you know keeping a stem. Stem like this it will be there. Leaves some. It is also known as stem. Roots underground of the earth it will be there roots. Next stem also. Example I will tell of what is meant by stem. Stem means if any rose plant is there. Now example will take rose plant now. Because rose plant will grow very quickly with the help of stem. There is no need of roots. It only help of a stem only. We can grow very fastly. Example, it is rose plant. Cut any rose plant. It is there any big plant is there. You cut one of the stem and put it another way. You can another place. You will get very fastly the another rose new plant. This is help of the stem. Now leaves. With the help of biofilm plant leaves, we can grow very fastly a new plant. That is known as with the help of leaves. We have now known about roots, stem, now leaves. You know everyone leaf. What is meant by leaves? With the help of biofilm leaves, we can grow a new plant. This is known as another way of growing plants. Now lastly, underground stem. Underground stem means under the ground of, too much underground of the ground. We can grow a stem, potato. He is giving the potato. Underground stem has buds called eyes which are raised in new plants with the help of one potato. You know, not here. We cannot grow potato here. In the help of UP, that side. Nearby our it is not there. In the other states, UP like this, they will grow potato very much because there is very nice soil there. So we can grow very fast potato there. He is giving an example potato there. So now some plants such as mosses and fungi do not have flowers. They produce their spores, each of which grow into a new plant. Example is being here, spores and fungi. They don't have any leaves. They don't have any stem. They don't have anything they will not have. But they are just like a plants. Just like a plants it is there. So this is the lesson how plants reproduce. This is the lesson how plants reproduce. Now I will ask for you some questions. If you don't understand, please ask me any questions, whatever you have doubts, or in the explanation if you have any doubts, you can ask for me what is meant by reproduce. Now I will give for you some homework. Homework means not heavy homework, only little bit of homework I will give for you. That is also what is you are seeing daily surroundings of us. There is so much of harmful gases. So you write a short note on the plants, how they are useful. Write a short note. I am giving for you homework. Write a short note. Only write a short notes. How plants by the link of our CBS High School. And the reproduction, what is meant by reproduction? Germination, dispersal of seeds, and also uses of plants. Whatever is there, you can ask me very clearly. I will explain you once again, or if you have any doubts, please tell me. And also write this short note. Write this short note about plants, how they are useful in our daily life. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you, children. Hey,